now how to use it wisely to make the world we live in a better place and make trials easier to face. Bless the administrators, our teacher and staff, that they may continue their aim to strive, serve, and care. Bless our ever-supportive parents and guardians who are always in our side every time we fight and smile in times of failure and success. Bless us, the graduates of 2013, that we may continue to believe in ourselves and never stop dreaming. Grant us faith and courage as we step in a new chapter of our life and show us how to serve you in our own new ways. May our education, our knowledge, and our skills find their own meaning as we learn to follow your way. Because we know that knowledge comes from learning and wisdom comes from you.